Thank you for joining me on this meditation and prayer on overcoming obstacles. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed, and let's begin. Today, we'll be meditating on the scripture Luke 18:27. What is impossible with man is possible with God. Begin by visualizing a vast and starry night sky, representing the limitless power of God. Picture yourself standing under this expansive canopy of stars. Consider the challenges and impossibilities in your life that have weighted heavily on your heart. Bring to mind those situations that seem insolvable. As you gaze upon the stars, remember that God who created this universe is the same God who can overcome any obstacles or impossibility in your life. Inhale deeply, saying, "With God, all things are possible." And exhale, saying, "I trust in His power." Imagine holding onto a heavy burden or a symbol of your attempt to control the impossible situation in your life. Visualize yourself willing to let go of this burden, releasing your grip and surrendering it to God's capable hands. Acknowledge that trying to control the impossible can lead to stress and anxiety, while surrendering to God brings peace and hope. Inhale deeply, saying, "I release control to God." And exhale, saying, "His peace fills me." Reflect on the role of faith in your life. Consider times when your faith has allowed you to see God's hand move in miraculous ways. Imagine your faith as a bright and radiant light within you, dispelling doubt and fear. Trust that God's limitless power is at work in and through you as you continue to walk in your faith. Inhale deeply, saying, "My faith in God is my strength." And exhale, saying, "I am open to His possibilities." In your mind, lift up the situation seems impossible to God. Surrender them to Him in prayer. Ask God to work miracles and bring His divine solution to these challenges. Express gratitude for God's power and His willingness to intervene in your life. Inhale deeply, saying, "I trust in God's miraculous work." And exhale, saying, "His will be done." As you conclude this Christian meditation, carry with you the assurance that with God, all things are possible. Embrace faith and surrender control, knowing that His limitless power is at work in your life. Walk forward with hope, believing in God of miracles who can make the impossible possible.